Making money online has become so easy that you do not even need to show your face to make money online. Whether it's on YouTube, on Facebook, you can make money without necessarily having to show your face. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a faceless YouTube channel using AI softwares. And the best part of this is that it is totally free of cost. All right, so just stay tuned and watch this video and make sure you learn. Okay, not just to watch it, but make sure you learn. So let's get right in the video.
Picture this. You have a YouTube channel and you're posting videos made only using AI. And these videos are not just getting attention, they are racking up views. Yes guys, it's happening. I came across this YouTube channel where they post a lot of videos in a very short time. See this, 11 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, and all they post are videos of fun facts, tips, and just information with voiceover, stock footage, or images. Now these videos are made just using AI. I mean, it is ideal for AI because these videos are faceless and they don't really require any original footage or much time to produce. And guess what? They're getting a lot of views too. So guys, I've broken down the process which these channels are using to get views with AI generated videos. And today, I'm going to show you how you can quickly make your YouTube videos just by using AI tools. Every step of the process, right from getting ideas, scripting, to creating visuals, all are going to be covered by AI. Impressive, right? So sit back, relax, and let's get started. To create a YouTube video, the first step is to get topic ideas. If you already know what video you're going to make, you can skip to the next step. If you're open to exploring different ideas, then continue watching. We're going to use an AI tool called Gravity Write, and you'll reach this page. Now click Start Writing for free. Enter your name, email, and give a password. Now click Create Account. Alright, we've logged in. Now head over to YouTube. And here we have different tools to make a YouTube video. Let's click YouTube Idea Generator. Now to get ideas, here just enter what your channel is about. If you don't have a channel yet, just enter some keywords related to the topic you want to focus on. I'm going to enter fitness. And click Create Content. You can choose the idea you like. I'm going to go with this one. Alright, now that we know what kind of video we need to make to go forward, we need a title for our video. So next, let's go to the second step, which is to create an attractive title for the video. To do that, there's a tool in Gravity Write that generates different title ideas. So let's try that out. First, I'm going to copy this idea. Then click Title and Thumbnail Ideas. Now paste it and click Create. We've got different titles on which we can make our video. And not just that, we also have thumbnail ideas for each topic. Interesting, right? Alright, you can go through and select the title you want. I'm going to select this. So let's copy it and paste it on a dock. Now we'll see how you can create a thumbnail based on this idea later in the video. Okay, now we have the title, so let's go to the next step, which is to create a script for our video. Once we have the script, we'll use that to create our visuals and audio. Now Gravity Write has a script generator tool as well. To create a script, just copy this title, go to Gravity Write and click YouTube Script Creator. Now paste this title and that's all. You can see we've got the complete script for our video. Now if you want to change anything or add something, you can go ahead and edit here. Alright, once you're fine with the script, let's go to the next step, which is to create a video using our script. To do that, we're going to use a tool called Pictory.ai. This tool lets you create an entire video with visuals and voiceover just with the script alone. Now click Get Started and then sign up. Since we're creating a video from the script, click Proceed here. Here, we need to enter the script for our video. So let's go back to this tab, copy the script, then paste it here. Now click Proceed and it will ask you to select a style for your video. You can select the one you like. I'm going to choose this one. As you can see, it's processing our video. And once it's done, You can see it has automatically created a video from our script. Now to see a preview, just click here. We have visuals, music, and text. Impressive, right? Let's close this. And now, if you're happy with the output, you can proceed to the next step. Or else, you can make changes to this video too. So next, let's see how you can edit the video. Here you can see we have different tools. And it has broken down our script into different scenes. You can just select the scene you want and make your edits. Now let's say you want to change the visual for this scene. So just click here. Then go to visuals. Now here you can see different footages that you can add. You can select any footage here, or you can also upload your own footage using this option. Now, there are places where you can find free stock footages like Pexels, Pexabay, etc. There are links in the description so you can check them out. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. So just double click and it will be added to your video. And you can see how it looks. Alright, now as you know, we don't have any voiceover in our video right now. So what if you want to add it to make our video sound like this?
Welcome to our video on 5 practical tips for a healthier lifestyle.
Better, right? So next, let's see how you can add a voiceover. This tool also has an option to add automatic voiceover for the script we added. So to do that, just go to audio and then click voiceover. Now here you will find different voices. You can play and select the voice you want.
Welcome to Pictory.
I'm going to select this one. So just click apply and it will be added. So let's have a preview now.
Welcome to our video on 5 practical tips for a healthier lifestyle, a healthy living challenge. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to lose track of your health goals and end up feeling burnt out.
The video has come out really well, right? Alright, so now our video is completely ready and you can download it here. Just click download and select the video. Now it will process and again click download. And you can see that the video has been downloaded. Okay, so what next? To publish this video, we need a few more things. We need a thumbnail and the description and tags. So first let's create a thumbnail. If you remember, we already have a thumbnail idea. Here, select YouTube thumbnail. And instead of creating the thumbnail from scratch, we're going to select the template and edit it. So here you can see different templates. You can select the one you want. I'm going to select this one. Now here we have a default image and text. So let's edit it. I'm going to add a text related to our video. Now to change the image, just select it and click delete. Now just drag and drop any image you want from the computer and drag it to adjust the position. Okay, so now our thumbnail is ready. So let's download it. Click share and click download. And again click download and the image will be downloaded. Okay, so now our thumbnail is ready and next let's create the description and tags. For that, again, we're going to use a tool from Gravity Write. So let's go to Gravity Write and click description and tags. Here it's asking us for our video title. So let's enter that. And we've got the description, SEO tags, and even the hashtags. Now these tags and descriptions are optimized for the YouTube's algorithm, so your video can have a better reach. Alright, so guys, we now have everything ready. So let's go to the final step, which is to publish the video on your YouTube channel. So let's go to our channel, click here, and click upload. Now just drag and drop the video we created. Here, let's enter our title. So just copy the title and paste it here. Next, we need to enter the description and hashtags here. So let's copy paste it. Now to add the thumbnail, just click upload thumbnail and double click on the image you want. Alright, next let's add the SEO tags. Scroll down and click show more. Here, just copy paste the tags. Once you're done, just click next. And here you can add the things you want. After that, keep clicking next. And now to publish the video, just click public here and click publish. That's all. Now if you click here, you can see our video has been added to our YouTube channel. Alright guys, so now we've made an entire YouTube video using AI. Now you can go on and see how many views you get. And let me know in the comment section how it has worked for you.
Hope you enjoyed that video. And I know that this video has been so helpful to you. What I want you to do right now is to go ahead and share this video to other people that might need the services of this AI, because a lot of people are saying they are shy, they cannot use camera, they cannot look at the camera, they don't have camera, they don't have microphone. So you have no excuses. Again, all you just need to do is to go ahead and implement all that you have learned in this video. All right? And I want you to subscribe to this channel and also share this video so that other people can subscribe to this channel and they will learn. Go ahead and hit on that subscribe button and make sure you give me a positive comment, and anytime I will reply you and I will answer to your comments, okay?